Hello guys, this is Vaibhav from Dev19. So today we are going to talk about this new course, fresh course launched by the Google. Yeah, you are hearing right now. It is Google. Yeah, if you are interested in mobile application and mobile development, then this is the best course that Google is offering to you. Okay, if even you are beginner, you are intermediate in coding, then you can join this. You must some knowledge about the coding. Means if you are beginner, it is okay. So Google has started this new course, Android Basics in Kotlin. Okay, as we can do mobile applications using Java and Kotlin in Android Studio, but nowadays Google is saying that Kotlin is their first class language for the Android development, because they are going on Kotlin for the Android development. Java, they are, I think they are going to deprecate that. Not, I think they will deprecate, but they are saying that Kotlin is the first class language for their Android development. Okay, so this is the course that they are offering, Android Basics in Kotlin. Okay, so we will go to that link. Yeah, this is the course, Android Basics in Kotlin. As it is launched now in last week, I think there are 5 units of this course, but only first unit is available now, because they are doing something other changes. Then other 4 units will come, and now only 1 unit is available. Unit first is available. Okay, so first of all, I want to say that this is a not certifications course, because Google is not providing a certification for this course, but this is an opportunity to learn. If we get the knowledge, we have not, then we have not use of certifications. Yeah, okay, so this is the first unit 1, Kotlin Basics for Android. So here they are going to teach us Kotlin language as well as Android, how to use in Android. That's the things. Okay, so we will go to this, explore this. But if you are not getting the certifications, but you will get the batches. Okay, so okay, we will go back. If you seen here, these are the earnable batches. You can earn these batches and you can do the things. Now we will go into this. Yeah, this is unit 1, Android Basics Introduction to Kotlin. So these are the 5 activities on this topic. 5 on this Android Basics, create your first Android applications. Android Basics, add a button. Yeah, means they are going basic, from basic to advanced. This is the basic course. There are another many courses that are advanced. Okay, so here I think they will provide you a videos, and on that videos they will ask you the quiz. There are quizzes, and I think there is one software, Code Labs, named Code Labs. On that Code Labs you have to code. Yeah, you have to code on that Code Labs, and you can check your coding skills, how you are going into these courses. Okay, so this is the best thing that Google is offering. भाई कर लो ये वाला कोर्स, इट इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग कोर्स. ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर गोइंग, अगर आपने ये कंप्लीट कर लिया, एज यूनिट्स आर कमिंग, मीन्स यूनिट सब यूनिट्स ख़त्म कर लिए, ये बेसिक वाला पार्ट हो गया. तो आफ्टर दिस बेसिक पार्ट्स देयर आर मेनी मच कोर्सेज इन दिस एंड्रॉयड series. Yeah, new, this is new Android Basics in Kotlin. Then they are, yeah, here they are saying Code Lab best, means you can do the coding in Code Lab. If you see there, if you explore another things in that course. And this is the advanced Android course in Kotlin. Yeah, means they are taking Kotlin very seriously for the Android development. And these are the fundamentals, and this is their old course, I think, Android developer Java, fundamentals Java. Yeah, so by I will give the link, you can go. Okay, I have to see this one, pathways. These are the pathways that you can apply. Means they will give a task and you have to perform the task. On that basis they will see the progress what you are doing. Okay, so that's the thing. So guys, कर लो यार, कोर्स अच्छा है. अगर आपको एंड्रॉयड सीखना है तो यू कैन go to the Kotlin and you can go through Kotlin. Yeah, thank you.